and this is a typical apartment type 1. Okay, so I'll zoom in over here. Okay, and I look for a chilled water pipes. So this chilled water pipes, it is coming, this is the chilled water pipes, it is going into this machine. Okay, and from where it is coming, this chilled water pipes, it is coming, I'll follow this, it is coming from the corridor. Okay, so for this particular project, they have given a separate typical apartment details other than the main details. The main details will be looks like this. The main what is it? The project, the main floor details. So this is the first floor details. So the chilled water, it is coming from a riser. Okay, so that particular riser is over here. Okay, chilled water riser. From here it is distributing to all your flats. Once it enter into this flat, for this detail you need to follow this particular drawings. Okay, so let's start for the quantity takeoff of this particular item, chilled water pipes. So I'll go back over here. From here, the chilled water which is coming, a size 25 mm. Okay, so pipes. You can use your template also for making this. How to make these templates for the PlanSwift and all, you might have already learned like in your previous lesson from one of my colleagues, and he will explain to you like how the templates has been made, and detailed PlanSwift training it will be given by him. Okay, so this 25 mm pipes, I'll just take it from here, I'll go back over here till this first connection. Okay, so I will have 25 mm pipe 0.9 mm. I'll take one more linear over here, and I'll take 20 mm pipe. Okay, okay, and this pipe will be particularly for this FCU. Now again this pipe is going more, so I'll look somewhere what is the size they are using it, that is 20 mm pipes. So the same 20 mm pipes, it is splitting from here. That means the 25 mm pipes which is coming into it, and here it is splitting into 20 mm, and again one more 20 mm, it is going back to your this particular FCU. Okay.